How to install Parallels on Mac M1. Here are the steps on how to install Parallels on Mac M1. 1. Go to the Parallels website and download the Parallels desktop for Mac installer. 2. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. 3. When prompted, enter your Parallels desktop license key. 4. Select the type of installation you want, *personal, this is the default option and is recommended for most users. *commercial, this option is for businesses and organizations that need to use Parallels desktop for business purposes. 5. Select the edition of Parallels desktop you want to install, *standard, this is the basic edition of Parallels desktop. *Pro, this edition includes additional features, such as support for 3D graphics and virtual machines with up to 32 cores. *Business, this edition is designed for businesses and organizations and includes all the features of the Pro edition, plus additional features such as remote management and support for multiple users. 6. Click Install. 7. Parallels desktop will be installed on your Mac. 8. Once Parallels desktop is installed, you can start using it to create and manage virtual machines. Here are some things to keep in mind when installing Parallels on Mac M1. Parallels desktop is not compatible with all Windows operating systems. You can check the Parallels website for a list of supported operating systems. Parallels desktop requires a Mac with at least 8 GB of RAM. Parallels desktop requires a Mac with at least 25 GB of free storage space. Parallels desktop requires a Mac with an Intel or Apple M1 chip. If you have any problems installing Parallels on Mac M1, you can contact Parallels support for help. Here are the recommended hardware for running Windows 11 in Parallels desktop on Mac. Mac with an Intel or Apple M1 chip, 8 GB of RAM, 25 GB of free storage space, Intel Core i5 or equivalent processor, DirectX 12 compatible graphics card, 4 GB of video memory. If you have a Mac with an Intel chip, you can run Windows 11 in Parallels desktop without any problems. However, if you have a Mac with an Apple M1 chip, you will need to use the Parallels desktop 17.1.0 or later version to run Windows 11. The Parallels desktop 17.1.0 or later version includes a number of optimizations for Windows 11 on Apple M1 chips, including improved graphics performance, better battery life, support for DirectX 12. If you are running Windows 11 in Parallels desktop on a Mac with an Intel chip, you can expect to get similar performance to running Windows 11 on a physical PC. However, if you are running Windows 11 in Parallels desktop on a Mac with an Apple M1 chip, you can expect to get better performance than running Windows 11 on a physical PC. 2. Here are some important information before installing Windows 11 in Parallels desktop on Mac. Your Mac must meet the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. You must have a valid Windows 11 license. You must have a Parallels desktop license. You must have at least 8 GB of RAM. You must have at least 25 GB of free storage space. You must have an Intel or Apple M1 chip. If you are not sure if your Mac meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11, you can check the Windows 11 website for more information. If you do not have a valid Windows 11 license, you can purchase one from the Microsoft Store. If you do not have a Parallels desktop license, you can purchase one from the Parallels website. If you do not have at least 8 GB of RAM, you may experience performance issues when running Windows 11 in Parallels desktop. If you do not have at least 25 GB of free storage space, you may not be able to install Windows 11 in Parallels desktop. If you do not have an Intel or Apple M1 chip, you will not be able to install Windows 11 in Parallels desktop. If you are still not sure if you can install Windows 11 in Parallels desktop on your Mac, you can contact Parallels support for help.